Presenting Aero Haven set of 5 handmade jute pillow cushion covers. These pillow covers are made from fine premium jute with HD digital print on it. It comes in a different dimension with good quality zip closure backed with premium upholstery fabric. The covers are highly comfortable and soft against the skin, which are suitable for machine washing. The box includes 5 pieces of cushion cover. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.
presenting the widest range of bathroom accessories.
Plantex, a perfect partner for your home.
Indulge your senses with our hand-poured aromatic candles which contain ethically sourced palm and soya wax. Remove the shrink wrap from the candle before lighting it up. You can place our aromatic candles in your preferred places such as the bedroom, living room, and more. Our candles are non-toxic and tested to be safe for the environment. Our fragrances contain aromatic oil and natural essential oils, which is IFRA compliant.
ये ना तो ज़्यादा डार्क आउट कर्टन है और ना ही ज़्यादा सी थ्रू कर्टन है, इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ बोथ। कलर वाइट पे ब्लू कलर का बहुत प्रिटी लीव्स है। मैंने इसको 6 से 7 बार वॉश किया है, स्टिल इट्स इन गुड शेप। तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद दिस परचेज एज वेल। और धोना इजी रहता है, धोने के बाद मैंने शायद इस पर आयरन भी नहीं किया है, स्टिल इट्स लुकिंग गुड। तो इसका ये एक बेस्ट पार्ट है। और इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा कलर्स हैं। इफ़ यू वांट टू गो विद येलो, ऑरेंज एंड मिक्स ऑफ ऑल कलर, मल्टी कलर, दे हैव एवरीथिंग इन देयर ब्रांड।
Hi everyone, this is Shravya and today I'm here to talk to you about this amazing wall lamp from Groen. This modern and stylish wall lamp is perfect for any room in your home. It features a sleek metal and acrylic design with a frosted lacquer paint treatment that won't fade or rust. The acrylic seals lampshade is easy to clean and protects the LED inside, while the transparent line shades soften the light without glare and create a beautiful lighting effect. This wall lamp is perfect for adding a touch of style and sophistication to your home. It's perfect for hotels, department stores, yards, doorways, porches, ground, garden pathways, square stair walls, bathroom, bedroom, living room, and more. So if you're looking for a modern and stylish wall lamp, then this is the perfect choice for you.
Hey there guys, this is Jyoti. When it comes to buying home decor items, there are several factors to consider to ensure you select the best products that complement your space. Whether you are looking for furniture, lighting, rugs, or decorative accessories, the following guide will help you make informed choices. Assess your current decor. Take a close look at your existing decor and identify its style, color scheme, and overall aesthetic. Understanding your current decor will help you select items that seamlessly blend with your existing design elements. Consider the room's purpose. Each room in your home serves a different purpose, and the decor should reflect that. Consider the functionality and atmosphere you want to create in each space. For example, a living room may require comfortable seating, while a bedroom might focus more on soothing colors and relaxation. Determine your preferred style. Identify the style or theme you wish to incorporate into your home. Some popular styles include contemporary, traditional, modern, rustic, industrial, bohemian, and Scandinavian. Research different styles to find one that resonates with your personal taste. Choose suitable materials. The choice of materials for your decor items play a significant role in their durability, appearance, and overall ambience. Consider the characteristics and qualities of different materials such as wood, metal, glass, fabric, leather, ceramic, or natural fibers. Choose materials that align with your desired style and fit the functionality of the item. Select colors wisely. Colors have a profound impact on the overall mood and ambience of a space. Consider the color palette of your room and choose decor items that either complement or contrast with it. You can opt for neutrals for a timeless and versatile look, or introduce pops of colors to add vibrancy and interest. Balance scale and proportion. Pay attention to the scale and proportion of your decor items in relation to the size of the room and existing furniture. Avoid overwhelming small spaces with oversized pieces or making large rooms feel empty with tiny accessories. Achieving a harmonious balance will enhance the visual appeal of your space. Experiment with textures. Textures add depth and tactile interest to your decor. Mix and match different textures such as smooth, rough, soft, or coarse to create visual and sensory contrast. Incorporate elements like velvet, linen, wood grains, metal finishes, and natural fibers to add richness and character to your space. Consider functionality. While aesthetics are important, don't overlook the functionality of your decor items. Assess your needs and select items that serve a practical purpose. For example, consider storage solutions, comfortable seating, or lighting that provides both task and ambient illumination. Personalize and showcase your personality. Lastly, don't be afraid to infuse your personality and unique style into your home decor. Select items that reflect your interests, hobbies, and memories. Display personal photographs, artwork, or sentimental objects to make your space feel truly yours. Remember, the key to successful home decor shopping is thoughtful consideration and finding the right balance between functionality, aesthetics, and personal style. Take your time, explore various options, and enjoy the process of transforming your space into a beautiful and inviting home.
Presenting HomeSake Wall Light Antique Home Decor Wall Lamp. This is made of die-casting iron with stoving varnish finish and highly transparent glass shade. It comes with oil-rubbed copper wall light body and retro lamp designed for vintage feel. Featured with anti-corrosion, anti-rust, anti-faded, high-temperature resistant, and strong heat dissipation. It is compatible with incandescent bulb, LED, flame bulb with E27 bulb base. It can be suited for bedroom, restaurant, cafe, living room, kitchen, and country house. The box includes shades. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking, and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.
If you want to buy this product, click the link below.